Hi there. Today we're going to show you how to bake perfect mouth-watering chocolate chip cookies. You'll find a copy of the recipe in the video description. Take 125 grams of strong flour, 100 grams of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And then sieve them together into a bowl and then set them aside ready for later. And then place 225 grams of unsalted butter into a pot. Let the butter come to the boil. Then when it froths up, keep stirring to stop it burning, and you're looking for the butter to turn a nice nutty brown colour. Then pour the butter into a glass jug to cool. You can place it in the fridge for 10 minutes. You want it to come down to about room temperature. Then we prepare 1 large egg and then separate just the egg yolk from a second egg. Now we put 200 grams of brown sugar in a bowl, 100 grams of white sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, then pour in the warm butter. Then thoroughly mix the sugar and the butter using a hand mixer on a medium speed. Then add the egg and the egg yolk. And then continue mixing. Then take the bowl of flour mixture we prepared earlier and add it to the egg and butter about a third at a time. And continue mixing until all the flour is combined. Now we add 100 grams of milk chocolate chips and roughly chop 150 grams of dark milk chocolate bar and add it to your bowl. I sometimes add some chopped hazelnuts at this point, but now we fold the chocolate through the batter. The easiest thing to measure the dough into the correct sizes is an ice cream scoop. Now place the cookie dough into your fridge for at least 15 minutes. You want to preheat your oven to 356 degrees Fahrenheit, that's 180 degrees centigrade. Then place the cookie dough onto a baking tray with some parchment paper. Remember to allow room for the cookies to spread. Then place them in the middle shelf of your preheated oven for between 12 and 14 minutes. If you want them nice and chewy in the centre, take them out closer to the 12-minute mark. Now the hard bits, leaving them for about 10 minutes so they don't fall apart when you try to move them. And there you have it, perfectly baked mouth-watering chocolate chip cookies that are ready to be eaten with a glass of milk or a big scoop of ice cream. Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe and like, and look out for the other videos in the series that's coming out soon.